Three mistakes investors and traders make in stock markets because of human psychology. And I can bet for a fact you have made it in your portfolio as well. And in this video, I'm going to tell you about all of those three problems. So without any further ado, शुरू करते हैं. Hi guys, my name is Harsh Goyla. I'm an investor, trainer and mentor in stock markets. And today, I'm going to be telling you the three psychological biases, the three problems that every investor and trader will face in stock markets because of human psychology. Why? Human psychology हम सब की same है. If I throw a fake snake at you, will you get scared? Yes. If you throw it again tomorrow, will you get scared? Yes. If I throw it again day after tomorrow, will you get scared? You will get scared. And this will happen to an American, a Brit, a Japanese, a Chinese and an Indian. Why? Because human psychology is same everywhere. The three problems I'm going to tell you, these problems are not only prevalent in Indian markets, these problems are prevalent in also with American investors, traders, European investors and traders, Asian investors and traders, Australian investors and traders, everywhere. Human psychology knows same hai. And before I start the session, if you haven't already, hit the like button and click the subscribe button so that you can also always get this awesome update. Problem number one you will face is you will always hold loss-making shares. You will always hold loss-making shares. अब खुद के portfolio में देख लो. I can bet my soul on this for a fact that if you have been in stock markets at least for 3-4 months, you would have stocks जो आपके profit making है वो आपने 2-3 रुपए और 10 रुपए profit में आपने बेच दिए. You sold those stocks and now those same stocks are at a much higher price, but you are holding the loss-making stocks and you are still holding them for a longer term of time. Am I right or am I right? Probability is most of you are doing it in Yes Bank, that you're hoping that Yes Bank will one day come up and that's why you're holding Yes Bank for the long term of time. Why? Am I God who can tell you this? Of course not, because I'm telling you this is a psychological problem. It's a psychological thing. Human beings are designed to not to earn in stock market, psychologically designed not to earn in stock market. And this has happened with me. This will happen with you. No matter your age, no matter experience, no matter how much money you have, no matter how much education qualified you have, you will have these problems. Problem number one, you will always end up holding the loss-making stocks. If you don't believe me, ask any investor. He will always be holding the loss-making stocks. Kyun? There's a very famous saying: we enter as a trader, we become a long-term investor. We enter as a trader, we become a long-term investor. Because 99% people वो करते क्या है? कोई टिप में कोई stock खरीदा होगा, they'll buy that stock. As soon as stock goes 2-3 rupees up, you will sell, you will book that profit. And when that stock is going down, will you sell it? No. Now you are a long-term investor. You enter as a trader and you become a long-term investor. Why? Because chances are that you have not sold on your stop loss at all. क्यों होता है ये? Psychologically ना आप खुद नोटिस करोगे, when you are having a profit, हो सकता है कि आपके पोर्टफोलियो में प्रॉफिट हुआ, ठीक है? I'm sure ऐसे you must have seen those days. आपने देखा होगा in those days when you having profit ना, you will check your phone every 5 seconds. ऐसा हुआ है कि नहीं हुआ है? Yes or yes? 5 seconds. अच्छा प्रॉफिट कितना हुआ? अच्छा आप प्रॉफिट कितना हुआ? Every 5 seconds you will check your profit. But when your portfolio is making a loss, will you check your portfolio? तब भाई साहब you're a long-term investor, right? Now we go to the problem number 2: special tips and insider trading. You will think ऐसा आपके पास होगा ही होगा 100%. You will sometime, or you already must have got a tip from somewhere जो सिर्फ आपको पता है, or you must have got inside information somewhere from maybe some of your friend that works in that company, or your mama or your chacha or somebody else or some source in that company, and you might keep, bro, I have inside information, and you are thinking, and again let me correct you, you are only thinking that only you have that information, only you have that tip, and nobody knows that about that thing. Let me be very honest with you. If you are in that situation right now, try kar lo. Trust me, your hands will get burned, but you will learn a very important lesson. And if you are experienced, you have already experienced what I'm talking about. There is nothing like this. Think about this. Human psychology क्या है? हम सब समझते हैं कि भाई हम सबसे ज़्यादा smart है. I can see it for a fact. When you're watching this video, half of you have already judged me. ठीक है? मैं क्या कपड़े पहने हैं, मैं कैसे बोल रहा हूँ, ये मतलब कि अच्छा इसके कितने पैसे हैं, मेरे हेयर स्टाइल क्या मैं जज कर लिया होगा, मैंने फोन दिखाया उस पर जज कर लिया होगा. So judgment already हो चुकी है. Why? Because it's a psychological thing. Us human beings, we think we are the smartest. We think भाई हमें सब पता है. If you agree to it, yes or no, but it's a fact. इसी bias की वजह से, which is also the reason because of humans have a reptile brain, you will think that only you have the inside information and only you have that tape that nobody else has. हो सकता है that you might get lucky and it would work for you, but long term है कभी काम नहीं करने वाली. Problem number 3. Ladies and gentlemen, the problem number 3 is you are holding the most talked about stocks. Holding the most talked about stocks. I can bet it for a fact. As of now, you might have interest, or you must be holding Yes Bank, Vodafone Idea, ITC. You must be holding IPOs of IRFC. You'll be having R Power or Suzlon or DHFL. Right or am I right? How do I know this? Because it's a human psychological fact. And this is not only with you. This is with every investor or trader in the world. Human beings क्या है? हम hurt करते हैं. हमें वो खरीदना है जो सब खरीद रहे हैं. ये बात अगेन मैंने आपको वीडियो में बताया था. यहाँ पे जनता स्टॉक मार्केट में पैसे कभी नहीं कमाती. Why? Because we human beings are psychologically designed not to earn in stock markets. Understand this fact. You need to understand the psychology of stock markets. You need to understand the human behavior. Why? Think about it. Stock markets किस पे run करता है? Demand and supply. Demand supply किस पे depend करते हैं? Sentiment. If the sentiment is good, if the people are thinking of a positive future, अगर कल को news आ गई that the COVID vaccine will be solved, the sentiment will be positive. The COVID vaccine actually solved नहीं हुआ है, but because sentiment positive, everyone will start buying. तो ultimately stock markets क्या है? It's a game of emotions. It's a game of sentiments. And if you're holding the stocks which everyone is holding, आपका कभी प्रॉफिट नहीं होने वाला. Yes, I am sorry. Yes, you might hate me for saying this fact that because you must be holding Yes Bank for long term and you are thinking कि ITC Yes Bank ऊपर चढ़ेगा एक दिन. Trust me, जब तक स्टॉक जनता के पास है ये नहीं चढ़ेगा. And I'll give you so many examples. You take the case of Ruchi Soya. Ruchi Soya went up like this. Everyone bought. It's down. You take the case of GameStop. GameStop का आया था कितना बड़ा वो हर YouTube में मेरे वीडियो. The stock went up this much and when you invested, now it is down. There must be several people around you who must be telling you कि stock market is a gamble. मत करो. देख लो dangerous है. It can be your parents. It can be your loved ones. It can be your friends. कोई ना कोई तो होगा ही होगा. I'm sure. Go to them and ask them which stock were you holding and what year. And I can bet my soul on the fact that 90% chances are they would be holding the stock which is the people's favorite stock of that time, which everyone was holding, and they would have bought at the peak. They would have bought at the peak. या तो वो आज की peak होगी, या 2008 की peak होगी, या 92 की peak होगी, और the .com peak, और the Ketan Parekh peak, any peak. But वो होगा ही होगा. Why can it? Because the human psychology, to quote Einstein, repeating the same things again and again, expecting different results is insanity. We are doing the same thing in stock markets. 99% people lose money in stock markets. Are you willing to tell yourself that you are smarter than all the 99% of the people? That you are doing something different that they didn't do? Because they also learn fundamentals. So भाई तुम में से special क्या है? If you are thinking that you are better than the rest, then my friend, please थोड़ा arrogance कम करके logically सोचो, right? Because if you're thinking that, it can be massive immaturity from you. And एक point में मैं भी सोचता था मैं सबसे better हूँ, and I was very immature because below 25 you are again physiologically designed to be arrogant. जो मैंने आपको वीडियो बताई थी, एक वीडियो थी मैंने investors below 25. You can check that video out. Understand this. It's the human psychology. You read any quote, you need any great investor. उन सब का quote एक ही होगा. Mindset. Do opposite to what the people are doing. To quote Warren Buffett, one of the most famous quotes. Be fearful when others are greedy. Be greedy when others are fearful. This was the stock market psychology, and this is why you should need it. You massively need it, right? Now, if you would want that, Harsh, I want to know about stock market psychology. मुझे और जानना है. अभी तो I've just scratched the surface. I've just told you small things. What I have for you is I have the stock market do no number game, an entire 4-hour intensive training. Link bio में है, wherein I teach you about the stock market psychology. I tell you about the stock market, the no number game, wherein you don't need any numbers in stock markets. I tell you about the psychology. It's a 4-hour intensive training. Live training होगी. नीचे जाओ, link में जाओ, click करो. Very normal price. It will cost you less than a pizza. जाओ and register yourself and meet me live at the session. That is it for today. Stock market psychology. सोचो. A lot of people think it's hoax, but actuality में if you experience stock markets, it is the real reality. It is what is the difference between a profitable investor trader and knowledgeable investor trader. Knowledge वाले बहुत हैं, ज्ञान बहुत सब बांट रहे हैं. जो profitable है, वो बहुत few. Difference क्या है? Mindset, understanding of stock market psychology. Well, if you like this video, give it a big fat thumbs up and click the subscribe button, ladies and gentlemen, because trust me, to deliver this type of content is not easy, and we are doing our very best to give you nothing but the absolute best. That is for it for today. Subscribe करना, like करना, comment your thoughts, and most importantly, रुको, most important, I want you to comment. मैंने आपको 3 problems बताई हैं. सबसे पहला holding loss making stocks, second insider information, and third holding most common stocks. I want you to write in the comment box. If you think only one thing has happened with you, write 1 out of 3. If you think only 2 things have happened with you, write 2 out of 3. If you think all the 3 problems you faced, write 3 out of 3. And I can bet you, because psychologically हम सब एकदम same हैं. Well, that was it for today. I'm looking forward to your comments. Training का link नीचे है. My name is Harsh Goela. Give my regards to your family. Give my love to your young ones. This is Goela School of Finance, financially empowering you.